On the morning of January 19, 2024, the state administration faced a hectic situation as it dealt with protests from two distinct groups, members of the Voice of the People Party VPP and the pressure group Hynniewtrep Youth Council HYC. The VPP called for the reinstatement of Meghalaya Lokayukta officers, while the HYC persisted in their demand for an inner line permit from the central government. The HYC organized a sit-in demonstration near the State Central Library in Shillong, where protesters, including President Roy Kuparsanrem, Vice President Donbok Langkharlingdo and others, voiced their grievances against Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for allegedly ignoring their demands despite multiple meetings. The protest was interrupted by senior police officials instructing the demonstrators to relocate to Malki Ground Shillong, citing traffic disruption concerns around the civil hospital and its vicinity. This led to a heated argument between the district administration and HYC leaders, resulting in physical altercations. Eventually, the HYC leaders were relocated to the civil hospital point near the bust of Uwo Kyang Nangba, where they continued to chant slogans reiterating their demand for an inner line permit from the central government.
Ni penpau persyak ya ke Sarkar India ya ke jingkuman ke jongka pan penteri kamno ya ke ILP wat hadin bak state government ke lepas ke resolution adu semerja kendai ni persyak ro ya ke jingwan jong Amit Shah nomor Shimlawan wan marak ke phojda naga benta banyada ban kiri ke jep pendiri ujongi te menta kesgi nagliang jong HYC ni penpau ke jing persyak da ke bangin penher gini ke balun ban penpau bak ni persyak bahado mentah mene hempat semlai ya ketakaannya dari lande ke ILP ya ke jai bendriu kasi lande ke state Meghalaya jongi tur jabrang tur jabrang we won ILP we won ILP we won ILP we won ILP
Kajing sisa kajing tunggu kajongi kalong menlet cakap bakulong ya kajing alang jok NDC ane siapa Rajpawan rei ngiyo jing tep baka DC menden hakini kisi beladap kalapan kalapan cari yang section 144 bahapo arspa meter ngim masuk menlet ngila siapa sange ang ni akhmat bat ngila dah kajing pun ngila hapan syong apa surok di Andre nakaliang jok dipulet kimsha ingin siapa surok yang benkit siapa Malki Ground dan nakaliang kajing ngim sya menlet sate siapa Malki Ground nomor kamera pun begini yang siapa Malki Ground ya hadir kajing persang benkit yang ni apa bos macam yang menrak sekono kajaka yang tu dari wilayah pelia pada hadir kajing keren pat bagi magistrate macam pulet kilasa ingin mentah bagi yang baniki si kenta ya ingin syong kajing tunggu kalau manfaat ya ka message sama Sarkar batang ni cepat ingin sampai ke ibat ka bagi dai benda kamdan jingbut ini benda kendu mecang ila tepi na por sa por ila kendu dari kamdan ka uso bami dari jinga kendu deka ka bangingi kwa kalong be man at jawab na wa mecha pada Sarkar India lakin ai ni kim ai yakin jinga wali